Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Tanc Studio. Today we will talk about filters. As the name suggests, filter is filtering out something. Like, what is filtering out mean for data? For data, I want to see how many occurrences of Cooper are there. I just want to see the data by filtering out all the rows where we have the name Cooper. Or I can ask my teammate to bring me a data based on only on Tupai records. So how can we do that? Just click on the heading, go to data tab, select on filters. If you see, you got a drop down icon in front of your headings, column headings. What did filter do? Filter selects all the rows of the column and then put the unique values in one filtered format. See, I want to see how many occurrences of Cooper there, what Cooper has been doing throughout the day, throughout the month. Here, I can also filter it through date. I just don't want to see the 1st October. I want to see from 1st November, sorry, 11 January. So this is how I can have multiple filters. But there's a problem. Many people ask me a question. We forgot to remove filters. And if we remove filters, like if I click on this again, it will remove filters and you will get your complete data again because the data is already there. It just hides out. It is something Excel is doing for you so that you can do some good analysis on data. So if you are working with big data, it will be difficult to remove and put the filters again and again. What is recommended then? Select the filter, select Cooper, Henry, John, and Kamran. Okay, now just press Alt A C, Alt A C, and it clears all the filters for you. We will talk about filters in other next episode because filter is not something that I can cover in 2-3 minutes. It will have 2-3 videos on the same topic. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep on sharing, liking, and subscribing.